Hello, welcome. This video I'm going to show you how to edit different texts in your attribute table to either caps, small caps, commas, everything that you want. I've already imported my dataset and I've opened the attribute table. So now scroll to this column with customer names. Right click on it, go to field calculator, say yes, then you select the Python path and then you have to select strings. Then under fields, look for our customer names. First of all, okay, it looks like everything is in capital, but if you want, you can change and either if you want to change them, for example, to lowercase, come and double click this and say okay. Yeah, it's doing its magic. Ta-da! It has changed everything to lowercase. If you want, you can also only capitalize first the first letters. That can be done by this. Sorry, double click. Yeah, this capitalizes the first letter only. There's also this. It capitalizes only the first letter of the whole string, not every other name. So you can play around with it and get what suits what you want to present.